Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. Welcome you all in the class of English. Students, we are going to start a new chapter today, chapter 3. So what are you anyway? And this is the first video of this week, and at the same time first video of this chapter. As the chapter is long, so no doubt I have made it in several parts. I hope that you all will enjoy this story and you will learn a great lesson. This story is written by Lawrence Hill. So let's see what is in this story. So what are you anyway? It's a question. What type of question? Who asked this question? Who was asked this question? So there are several questions itself here. Let us see and enjoy and learn what is in this chapter. Here, before going further, I would like to introduce you the author, the writer of this story, Lawrence Hill. It is very essential and important for all of us to know the life of the writer, poet, poetess, because they live and they give us a view of life. They add to our experience, and that's why it's our, no doubt, duty to know. And we are learning a lot. We are inspired from their work, from their labor, from their dedication, and that's why we must know, we must learn. Lawrence Hill was born on January 24, 1957. He is a Canadian novelist. Lawrence Hill is a Canadian novelist, essayist, and memoirist. He is known for his 2007 novel, The Book of Negroes. That was very popular, very just liked books, and so he mainly came to know. He was known by the novel, The Book of Negroes, inspired by the black loyalists given freedom and resettled in Nova Scotia by the British after the American Revolutionary War, and his 2001 memoir, Blackberry Sweet Juice, on being black and white in Canada. So the book Negroes was adapted for a TV miniseries produced in 2015. He was selected in 2013 for the Massey Lectures. Let's know more. He drew from his non-fiction book, Blood, the Stuff of Life, published that year. His 10 books include other non-fiction and fictional works. And some have been translated into other languages and published in numerous other countries. The story, So What Are You Anyway, is based on a racial or ethnic event. No doubt, the time has gone. There is no time to talk about a race, about hair color of black and white. But this story took place in a plane, in which plane there was a small girl named Carol traveling. She was going to visit her grandparents, and on the same seat came a couple, Henry and Betty Norton. Let us see what happens, what is the interaction, all that, and that will no doubt help us a lot to add to our knowledge, to widen our knowledge. So let's see. A girl named Carol is going by plane to visit her grandparents. Her seat was 12A. No doubt there are numbers of the seats. So in the plane, she was taking the seat 12A, which was near the window, just at the window. She took her seat and kept her black doll. She had a lovely doll. She liked, she loved. She called it Amy. She had named her black doll Amy. She is watching her face in a mirror and remembers her father's words, who always called her milk chocolate. Her dad called her milk chocolate. A couple, Mr. Henry and Betty Norton. Norton was the title. Henry and Betty Norton came, and Henry asked her if the doll was hers, as the doll was kept on the seat. He expressed his surprise that he had never seen a black doll like that. The doll was black. Doll is generally seen beautiful, white, but the doll was black. So he expressed his surprise. He wondered that he had never seen a black doll. Carol replied that her doll's name was Amy. It was not doll, but it was Amy. She called her lovingly Amy. She had named her Amy and requested if she could take her doll, because Henry had taken the doll in his hand. So she demanded her doll back. Mrs. Norton told her husband to give her doll back. Carol kept her doll close to window. Henry sat beside Carol and his wife took the aisle seat. That was just here, close to the passage, between which passage the passengers are going and coming and walking. Henry Norton's wife introduced herself to Carol, that her name was Betty Norton and Henry was her husband. Betty was no doubt softer by the nature, so she just thought to introduce herself. She told Carol that her name was Betty Norton and her husband's name was Henry Norton. Henry kept looking at Carol. Henry, Betty's husband, continuously was looking at Carol. He wanted to know something. He wanted to ask her something. He had some questions to know about her, because her complexion was not white. Her complexion was really brown, and that's why he had a question who she was. The air hostess checked, a stewardess, which we tell here a stewardess, that is the term used in the book story. The air hostess checked the seat belts of all the passengers and told that everything was okay. Carol asked her if she could go to bathroom. She was told to wait as the flight was to take off. The hostess told Carol that she should wait for a while so that the flight was taking off. Carol is looking out of the window and wondered. She saw the buildings of that town and she wondered that her parents must be watching the flight. She instructed her black doll and she took the hand of the doll waving and told and instructed her doll to say goodbye to her mom and dad. So in this way, we have seen here this part of the story, that a little girl who is traveling, sitting in the plane, and she is, of course, very much happy to go to her grandparents. She had the doll, black doll. She had kept its name Amy. She had no doubt great emotional attachment with the doll. She was traveling by train. So what happens next to her in the journey? What type of questions Norton family, Nortons, are asking to her, and how does she react? How Carol reacted to the questions of Nortons, that means Henry Norton and Betty Norton. That is what here a question, and we will come to know, we will learn in the story. As the long story is longer, I have shared you just a content of 2 pages here, but in online class I will explain you line wise everything. So you go through whole chapter, learn all hard words, all new words. Till then, thank you and bye all of you.